Friends, if men and women from Arab countries are interested in doing research in my solar system program, I am ready to cooperate. Contact my WhatsApp number. Allah Almighty included in the nature of all the creatures the physical qualities that were to be possessed. All creatures possess high consciousness. Like man, there is an expression of love and hate. But some people consider animals to be far from love, although this is not the case. We have practical evidence before us that the substance of love is also found in animals. Friends, look at the love of a chicken and a lamb. When the flu came, everyone died. Only one chicken survived. On the other side was a goat that died of a disease and had a small kid. When a herd of goats went out to graze, chickens and lambs were left alone in the house. When the grain is added, the two eat the grain together. When the lamb sits or sleeps, the chicken sits on top of the lamb. Both are living in the same way. The two are not separated from each other. There is a small cloth cradle with 4 legs to protect the chicks from the cats. At night the chicks are put on this cradle. When the lamb finds out that the chicken sleeps in the cradle with the bed, the lamb also falls asleep under the cradle. Friends, if you like the video, please like and share it. Thank you.